It was so weird though because they were all hovering right above the house. Maybe that old man behind us is gonna die.
Are those fucking pigeons or just fucking like blackbirds? Fucking crows.
I think they're the little crow blackbird things.
They're fucking like crows, but they're black crows. That means fucking someone or something will die. More likely someone.
That's crazy though. They were all right here. It was so trippy.
Do you remember when fucking that old man?
I think there was a bunch of them in my dad's yard when my dad was dying.
Like across the street?
My mom will have to answer me with that question when she sees this video. When you see this video, will you call me and tell me the answer of that? Thanks.